Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 5. Today we cover user input and output. Learn to make your programs interactive. The input function reads user text. It always returns a string, so we need to convert numbers. F-strings make it easy to display input values. Let us create basic_input.py using NVIM. The input function shows a prompt and waits for text. We print a greeting using an F-string. Wrapping input with int converts the string to a number. Now we can do math with the converted age. Let us review the completed code with BAT. Now we run the script and respond to each prompt. The print function has useful formatting options. Sep changes the separator between arguments. End controls what comes after the printed text. Let us create print_options.py. Print can take multiple arguments separated by spaces. Setting sep changes the default space separator. The end parameter controls the line ending behavior. F-strings can align text using angle brackets. Let us review and run the code. Each print option changes how the output appears. Let us build a mini project combining input and print. The converter takes a choice and a temperature value. Float handles decimals, and if-else adds logic. Let us create converter.py for our mini project. We display a menu with two conversion options. Input reads the choice, and float converts the temperature. The if-else block handles both conversion directions. Let us review the completed converter. We choose Celsius to Fahrenheit and enter 100 degrees. (100°C converts to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Let us recap user input and output. Input reads text from the user as a string. Convert input with int or float for numbers. Print sep and n-control output formatting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore conditionals and logic.